Hi guys, so I like to review products that I receive, and today I will be reviewing this walk-in greenhouse that I received from Amazon. So this is a really nice greenhouse. Took me probably about 30 minutes to put it together. It was a little on the flimsy side, but I finally got the structure together. I needed help to put the tarp over the top. So the door has two zippers on both sides, so you can zip it up and then roll it up and tie it at the very top in order to go in. It also has windows on the sides that are closed in with Velcro, so you just have to pull the Velcro off and you can roll those up as well, just so you can get some ventilation in there. This greenhouse also has shelving, two layers on both sides with 8 shelves each that you can tie in with cable ties. It holds up to 33 pounds each. As you can see in the picture, I put some wood and brick around the bottom to weigh it down since we've had some high winds and very bad storms that have blown through. But this has actually stayed in place with and hasn't flown away. If this is a greenhouse that you're looking to purchase soon, I will put the Amazon link in my description. I will try and give feedback on how well these plants grow inside of this greenhouse. I usually can only grow tomatoes and dahlias, so we'll see how the rest of this goes. I will definitely try and reach back out to show my progress. Thank you guys for watching and hope you have a great day.